Volkswagen Barbie back in the shop today, and it's time to address Farrah. So it's time to bust out the nerd gear because I've got to crawl underneath her and figure out where that wiper motor is to get those hooked back up. We've also got some pieces to cut out of her front end, which is a little nerve-wracking, but we've got to get those new headlamps and the new turn signals put in. So wish us luck. We're going to get her off this lift today, moved over to the other shop, and it's time for alignment. So peace out. Hope you're having a great day. Volkswagen Barbie here, donning the nerdy headgear, going in for the wires. It's time to dig up underneath here, find her windshield wiper motor, and get it rehooked up because we didn't do it before we put the AC in. So I've located it, I've redone all the connections, lengthened the wires, and I'm gonna try to take y'all in there, but it's a tight fit, so I don't know if you'll even be able to see it, but here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna squeeze down into the floorboard, past the AC, and what I'm dealing with is my windshield wiper motor. Finally got the bracket off, all connections cleared, so we're gonna put in the new bundle of wires and lengthen it to where we can